Losing weight can feel like a big challenge. It often feels overwhelming, especially when you don't know where to start. The good news is, every journey begins with a single step, and you have the power to take that step today. It's important to remember that you are not alone. Many people are on the same path, seeking healthier lifestyles and supporting each other along the way. Finding a community or a group of friends who share your goals can make a huge difference. Many people are looking for healthy ways to achieve their weight loss goals. This often involves making better food choices and incorporating more physical activity into daily routines. It's not about drastic changes, but about making consistent, healthier choices. The journey starts with a single step, and that step is choosing health. Whether it's deciding to take a walk every morning or opting for a salad instead of fries, these small decisions add up over time. It's not about strict diets or punishing workouts. It's about finding a balance that works for you. Enjoying a variety of foods in moderation and staying active in ways that you find enjoyable can lead to lasting changes. It's about making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle. Meal prepping can be a great way to ensure you have healthy options available throughout the week, reducing the temptation to reach for less nutritious choices. It's about nourishing your body with nutritious foods that make you feel good from the inside out. Fresh fruits and vegetables are not only delicious but also packed with the nutrients your body needs to thrive. One of the simplest, yet most effective ways to jumpstart your weight loss journey is by incorporating more vegetables into your diet. Vegetables are versatile and can be included in a variety of dishes, making it easy to add them to your meals. Vegetables are naturally low in calories and packed with essential vitamins and minerals. They help you feel full and satisfied, which can prevent overeating and help you stay on track with your weight loss goals. And when it comes to vegetables that can help you shed those extra pounds, cabbage deserves a special mention. This humble vegetable is incredibly versatile and can be used in a variety of dishes, from salads to soups. So, let's explore the wonderful world of cabbage and how this humble vegetable can help you achieve your weight loss goals. By incorporating cabbage into your diet, you can enjoy its numerous health benefits while working towards a slimmer, healthier you. Cabbage is a nutritional powerhouse that often gets overlooked. This humble vegetable is not only versatile, but also packed with numerous health benefits that can aid in your weight loss journey. It's incredibly low in calories, making it a fantastic addition to any weight loss diet. Just 1 cup of chopped cabbage contains only about 22 calories, allowing you to eat plenty without worrying about calorie overload. But here's the secret weapon. Cabbage is high in fiber. Fiber is crucial for maintaining a healthy digestive system and can help prevent constipation. Fiber is your best friend when it comes to weight loss. It slows down digestion, which helps you feel full longer and reduces the urge to snack between meals. It keeps you feeling full and satisfied, reducing those pesky cravings that can sabotage your progress. And that's not all. The high fiber content also helps regulate blood sugar levels, which is essential for sustained energy throughout the day. Cabbage is also packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, vitamin K, and folate. These nutrients play a vital role in boosting your immune system, promoting bone health, and supporting cell growth. These nutrients support overall health and well-being, ensuring that you're losing weight the healthy way. So next time you're planning your meals, don't forget to include cabbage. It's a simple, affordable, and effective way to enhance your diet and achieve your weight loss goals. Now, let's talk about how to make a delicious and easy cabbage salad that is not only quick to prepare, but also packed with nutrients. This salad will become a staple in your weight loss journey and a go-to for healthy meal prep. Ingredients. Start with half a head of green cabbage, shredded finely to ensure a nice texture. Add a 1/4 cup of shredded carrots for a touch of sweetness and vibrant color. Next, include a 1/4 cup of chopped red onion to give the salad a bit of a zing. Finally, add 2 tablespoons of chopped fresh parsley for a burst of freshness and a hint of herbaceous flavor. Instructions. In a large mixing bowl, combine the shredded cabbage, carrots, red onion, and parsley. Use your hands or salad tongs to toss the ingredients together until they are well combined and evenly distributed. Make sure to mix thoroughly so that every bite has a bit of each ingredient. That's it. You can enjoy this simple and refreshing salad as is, appreciating the natural flavors of the fresh vegetables. Or, if you prefer, you can dress it up with a light vinaigrette to add an extra layer of flavor. This versatile salad can be a side dish or a light meal on its own. One of the best things about salads is that they are incredibly versatile. You can add a burst of flavor without adding extra calories. Instead of heavy, creamy dressings, opt for a light vinaigrette made with olive oil, lemon juice, and a pinch of salt and pepper. You can also add other low-calorie toppings, such as sliced cucumbers, cherry tomatoes, chopped bell peppers, and a sprinkle of sunflower seeds. Remember, the key is to keep it light and flavorful. Section 5. Cabbage every day. Easy ways to enjoy your salad. Now that you have your delicious cabbage salad recipe, let's talk about how to make it a regular part of your diet. Enjoy a large portion of cabbage salad as a light and refreshing main dish for lunch or dinner. Serve a smaller portion of cabbage salad alongside grilled chicken, fish, or tofu for a balanced and satisfying meal. Keep a container of cabbage salad in your fridge for a quick and healthy snack when hunger strikes. Section 6. Listen to your body. Finding the right balance. As you incorporate more cabbage salad into your diet, remember to listen to your body and pay attention to your hunger cues. Start with small portions and gradually increase them as needed. It's also essential to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of other fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Weight loss is not a one-size-fits-all journey. Find what works best for you and make sustainable changes that you can stick with for the long term. Section 7. Stay hydrated. Water's role in weight loss. In addition to eating a healthy diet, staying hydrated is crucial for weight loss. Water helps to flush out toxins, boost your metabolism, and keep you feeling full and satisfied. Aim to drink 8 glasses of water per day. You can also sip on herbal teas or infuse your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or mint for a refreshing twist. Section 8. You can do it. Embracing a healthier lifestyle. Remember, every journey starts with a single step. By incorporating more cabbage salad into your diet and adopting healthy habits, you are taking positive steps towards achieving your weight loss goals. Be patient with yourself, stay consistent with your efforts, and celebrate your progress along the way. You've got this.